I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Audi Q3. First, confirm your vehicle has the remote start capability, as not all models include it. Next, download the My Audi app from your phone's app store. This essential application allows you to control various vehicle functions remotely. Finally, register for a My Audi account and link your specific Audi Q3 to it, ensuring all features are accessible. Before you can remotely start your Audi Q3, a few quick checks are necessary. Make sure all doors, the hood, and the trunk are completely closed and latched. Your vehicle must also be securely locked. The remote start function will not activate if any entry point is open. Lastly, verify that the gear selector is firmly in the park position for safety. Now, let's use the My Audi app to start your engine. Open the application on your smartphone and log in using your credentials. Once inside, locate the Remote Services section, which typically displays various control options for your vehicle. Find and tap the Start Engine or Remote Start button to send the command to your Audi Q3. After sending the command, the My Audi app will provide confirmation that your remote start request was successful. Your Audi Q3's engine will typically run for about 10 minutes, allowing the cabin to warm up or cool down. If needed, you can extend this run time or remotely turn off the engine directly through the My Audi application, offering great flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.